Now students, likewise we were having mirror formula, so accordingly we are having lens formula as well. Do you remember mirror formula? That was 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. So here we are also having 1 upon f, but 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So the only thing that is going to be changed is the minus signature, that is minus sign here. Okay, now you remember that here v and u are this one is the object distance and this one is the image distance. Okay, distance and distance. And what is this? You remember this is the focal length from the optical center to f. Okay, so these are the formula, but now the thing that you need to remember is the minus and plus sign. So according to the situation, you are going to put plus and minus sign. So let us see how the sign minus and plus are going to be put according to the situation. So let's suppose here we are having two situations, one for the convex lens and another one is for concave lens. As you remember, here in both the cases we were having two focuses. But here let's suppose you know that 5 out of 6 cases in convex lens are of the real image. That is, the image is going to be formed after refraction on the other side, like this one. But in concave lens we were only having 2 cases and both the cases were having images on the same side of the object that it is placed. So according to that, here is the situation where the image is at the other side. So let's see for the first case, convex. Okay, so now what would be the formula that we can draw out of it? Here the thing that is the focus, that in this case convex lens, you remember that the light rays that are coming parallel to each other, so are getting focused at this point, that is the light ray actually are focusing on the other side. So we are going to consider this as a focus. This is the main primary focus, that is f1, and this focus is at the right side. So we can say that this could be taken as the positive. Okay, so here the f in this case, in convex lens case, would be positive. Now the thing v. So here as you can see, the image is forming on the other side again because the rays are actually going to meet. So v would be positive also. Now object, you remember that in each and every case, though it is concave and convex, we always keep the object at the left side. That is the primary thing. So u would be taken as the negative. So according to this, what formula we are going to draw? So f is going to positive, it is f. V is going to positive, it is v. Minus sign is there, yes. And the next u would be taken as the minus u here. So whatever the value of u, that is the object distance, would be taken in negative sign. Now this minus and minus is going to be plus. So according to that, now you are going to calculate things and going to get the answer. Now let us see for the concave lens. In this situation, what you are observing, here the object is situated like this, AB. Now the rays that are coming here. So the focus, you remember that when we were drawing the concave lens, so all the rays that are parallel are going to diverge in the direction, in certain direction that it seems like are going to produce from the back side. So here we are having the focus, that is f1. So this is the primary focus for this. Now so for that we can say that for case of concave lens we are having negative focal length. Okay, object distance would be negative in this case too. Okay, and the image is here like this. So this is the image. So image also negative, object also negative, and the focus is also negative. So out of this formula, 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. What you can draw? This is also negative because we are taking this part of the focus. This is the minus focus. V would be here only. This one is the v. Small a dash, b dash, this is the v. See, here I have written So minus V, minus, that is the main minus signature, and again now the minus sign of the U. So whatever value you are having now, you can put the values here with these signs. So accordingly you can calculate and formulate whatever is needed and asked in the question. So this is how main formula for the lens is this one, and according to the different situations. But remember, in both cases, in this convex lens, focus would always be taken as the positive, and in this case concave lens, focus would always be taken as the negative, because the primary focus for this case is at this side, right side, and the primary focus for this concave lens is at the left side. So I hope you remember, you understand this lens formula and the questions that are going to be used accordingly, so you can formulate them very well.